For you, babe. If it ain't love, why does it feel so good? Why does it feel so good?
Welcome again to the Multiple Streams Income Disciples channel. George Murevesi here. I will continue sharing my journey with you so that you can also duplicate the success that I seek to gauge in this great year of 2017. I don't necessarily expect you to be following or adopting or getting into each and every program that I'm getting into, but should you wish to do so, I mean, if you follow the plan, then we can excel together. Likewise, you might be involved in other programs, and it is okay to sort of like have a plan as well. Like, for example, in this phase of my journey, what I'm now doing, I've had success with Elite Earners Club, and I'm happy that for now I will not be investing any money from my pocket. So I'm taking funds from profits from Elite Earners Club, and then sort of like try to build an ecosystem that's self-sustaining, kind of like a Rolodex, or if you like. So for example, if I go in here, you can see that I've well exceeded my capital, which I started with, which was pretty heavy. I can say that was a massive risk, but I recouped that, and now I'm in profits. So every week I'm getting profits from here, some handsome profits, up to 15% weekly, not guaranteed, but it's been consistently 2.19615 week in, week out for ever since I joined. So they've always been 15%. So part of that 2.196, I'll get a chunk, put some in Bitcoin, leave it as it is, let the Bitcoin appreciate on its own, take a certain chunk for my living expenses. But I've got another opportunity as well, which is this one, which is giving me like a daily return of about just about $30 every day. I can manage to get $30. As you can see, I've been withdrawing $30, March 7, March 6, March 5, March 4, every day, at least $30 out of this system. So this is for my day-to-day. So part of the monies that I'm getting from here do not necessarily need to go to my day-to-day. Some of it can go maybe to my bills, but I will retain some of it in Bitcoin, because as you know, Bitcoin is going up and up. When we started last year, 2016, it started the year around 300. By December it was hovering around 1,000, and as I do this video, Bitcoin is currently sitting at let's see, live here, this is the 8th of March, and the Bitcoin price is 1,247. So part of my earnings here, I will just keep in Bitcoin, and I know over time, 5-6 months, my net worth is appreciating. But part of the funds as well, I put in other programs that are standalone programs that can be self-sustaining, that are in Bitcoin. So the focus is moving towards Bitcoin. I have one program which I've made a video on, which is the FlexiBit. I put one Bitcoin there, and I'm earning about 3.8% on this one. But for this video, I'll show you another interesting program that I've also joined with one Bitcoin. Minimum deposit for this one is 0.250 Bitcoin, which is around $250. What this does is a program run by professional bettors. They daily take our funds, and then they play around by betting on sport and other things with big companies like William Hill, bwin, and these other big ones. So a great program. You can chat with them here, great support. You can contact them and ask any questions that you wish to ask. They have a community, a forum where you can also ask things. I could go in there, but well, those are the things that you can do for yourself if you're willing to pursue this more. So save your time. To save your time, I'll just go into the essentials. You can also call this number, and you can schedule a call actually by requesting them to call you back. So that's really good, I should say. If you are one of those big marketing guys who want to go in heavy, you can be a representative. There's a lot that you can do here. If you are a representative, you can get up to 12% commission, but you'll be sort of like the leader in a certain place. You need to get some kind of good knowledge of the program. You need to contact them. I haven't gone into that sort of thing at the moment, but it's something that will be good to do. Good support. They support well from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. daily. Those are the working hours if you call that number, and these are GMT or London times, London time hours. And then in terms of the portfolios, what you can do here, if you enter with, sorry, I said you can start with 250. You can actually start with $25. My apologies there. So it's 0.025. I thought it was 0.25. My apologies. You can actually start as low as $25 up to $499. And what that does, for every day, the profits that they can make up to 2.5% daily, or slightly more, but on average they make 2.5. They'll give you 60% of those profits, and your investment expires 30 days. So let's take an example and see how that would go. If you come here, well, I'll not go into that because they have a calculator, so I'll go into a calculator later on when I log in. The starter pack is slightly better because you can get at least 65% of what they make daily. But the basic pack, 1,000, that's what I am on. I started with 1 Bitcoin yesterday, so I'm on 70%, and my investment will expire in 60 days. But in the meantime and in between time before I reach that 60 days, I'm compounding. So it's not really gonna have an end date of 60 days, because like today or 5 days into the program, I'll recompound, and the funds that I recommend on the day 5 will actually mature on day 65. Likewise, if I compound the proportion that I compound on day 59 will obviously not expire on day 60, because that will be day 1. That they will expire on day 119. So without further ado, let's just get into the inside of the system so that you can see some of the exciting things about the program. I want to show you a calculator. So let's say you start with 1 Bitcoin, like what I started, and then on average you are getting they are getting about 2.5. That's possible. You can actually go to 3%, but let's just go for 2.5. And then you say you are compounding at 100%. Let's calculate. So you see here, after 60 days, you get a return of 56. Your Bitcoin will grow by 56. Sorry, after 30 days. More than 50% growth in Bitcoin. Remember, the Bitcoin is appreciating. 2 weeks ago, Bitcoin was like 1,000 or thereabout. So imagine your Bitcoin is appreciating in US dollar or fiat value, but at the same time, by itself, your Bitcoin is also growing. So this is a double killing, guys. This is a great program to get into. But let's just get to my results and see what I have. I joined yesterday, so I only have 1 day in, And yesterday was Monday, the 6th of March, and then after 24 hours of my investment, they had made 2.33% in betting. So of those, of that percentage, my portion is 70% because I'm on the basic plan. So I am entitled to 1.63%. So a daily return of 1.63% on Bitcoin, guys. This is amazing. So although I started with 1 Bitcoin, now my rate of return, which is raw in 1 day, 24 hours, is this. So my Bitcoin is now grown to 1.0163. I'm compounding, so it's great because after about 30 days, I know that my funds would have grown pretty solidly. Let's suppose that maybe on average they'll be making about 2.5%, and then this is the plan that I'm on, and then I am compounding 100%. So you can see in 60 days, this is 2 months, guys, I would have made this much in Bitcoin, and bearing in mind that I started with 1 Bitcoin, this will be my total profit. So in just 60 days, I've got close to 3 Bitcoin after starting with 1 Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is 1.2 by now. In 2 months, it could be more than 1.5. It could be close to 2,000. So guys, this is really amazing. This is a powerful tool. It's a great way to leverage my earnings, and it's a great way to create that financial freedom that I'm seeking to attain. It's also a great way to sort of like have that Rolodex that I want, that ecosystem of having that program being solid, but equally having other things within the portfolio that are quite good as well. So what to do should you be interested in this? I will leave my referral link below, and you can get to join. If you're one of those people who are into affiliate marketing, they have some really good banners that you can use to promote this. They have some videos that you can use, explainer videos that you can promote into your like traffic exchanges and things like that. They have they pay you to promote if you're putting this like on social media, Google, Twitter. You gain certain points, and then you can redeem those points for money later on. And also they have special arrangements with these people here, like Bitcoin Talk, Reddit, Twitter, my paying ads, get my ads, and it's a long list. If you choose to promote this site on any of these domains, you will get some points which you can redeem for money. So there is much in this. I'm yet to kind of get my way around and knowing this system, so I don't think there is much I can say for now, but I'll be daily showing you my progress so you can follow my results. So thank you so much, guys, and see you pretty soon. Happy investing. Cheers.